Hello viewers, here we have a question on change of subject of formula where we have to make S the subject of formula in A equal to B bracket 1 minus X. So the first thing we're going to do is to expand this bracket. So A is equal to B times 1 is B, B times minus X is minus BX. So I'll take B to the left hand side, so we'll be left with minus BX. A minus B equal to minus bx. So divide through by minus b, divide through by minus b. Minus b cancel minus b, we are left with x. So I would love to put this at the left hand side. So x is equal to a minus b over minus b. So for we to eliminate the negative sign at the denominator, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by minus. So S is equal to minus A minus B over minus B. So X is equal to minus times A is minus A, minus times minus B will have plus B over minus times minus is plus B. Now let's rearrange the numerator, so the negative A will go inside. X is equal to B minus A over B. This is our answer. Bye.